This is my first edit, by the way. Fact number 1. Mars has a huge volcano. This volcano is 25 kilometers tall, also 6 times taller than Mount Everest. It lies on the northwestern flank of what is known as Mars Tharsis Rise. We're not sure how or why the Tharsis Rise formed, but we do know that it started to develop at least 3 billion years ago. The commonly accepted view is that Tharsis lies over a hot spot or superplume. Number 2. Venus is the second brightest planet in the night sky after the Moon. If Venus was removed from the night sky, then it would be a bit darker. This is because Venus is very hot. And that is because Sun gives light to Venus, and due to the greenhouse gases they can't let the light out, which makes Venus very hot and bright. To planets further than Mars, Venus wouldn't look vivid. Fact number 3. Lots of cosmic dust falls on Earth. Earth's surface is constantly sprinkled with space dust. It has rained down on our planet throughout its multi-billion-year history. About 4,700 metric tons of space dust fall onto Earth every year. It goes through the upper atmosphere and occasionally reaching the ground to become meteorites. Fact number 4. The diamond planet, which is also called 55 Concrete, is full of diamond. Diamonds might be a rare commodity here on Earth, but the wider universe doesn't seem to have a shortage. This planet is 40 light-years away and is 2,700 degrees Celsius. This planet is worth 194 million pounds, which looks like this. Fact number 5. Earth used to have 2 moons, but the smaller one collided into the bigger one, and the bigger one is known as Luna. When Earth had its rings, they all clumped into each other to form not 1, but 2. Eventually, after millions of years, they collided into each other, and that could be why Moon has lots of craters. This massive collision impacted the Earth with meteor showers and mini collisions. Fact number 5. The pink planet, also named GJ50b, is a pink planet. It is very outstanding and beautiful. The planet is made of pink gas. It's like Jupiter, but bigger and hotter. At 237.77 degrees Celsius, it's the same heat as a hot oven, and it's the planet's intense heat that causes it to glow. This planet is 57 light-years away. Fact number 7. There is a boiling river in Peru. It is between 45 and 100 degrees Celsius. If you go into the river, you would definitely die. Local shamans believe that the boiling water is birthed by Yucamama, a giant serpent spirit known as the Mother of the Waters. This river is 16 feet deep and is 80 feet wide. Would you swim there? Well, it's really hot, so I won't recommend. Fact number 8. Mercury is slowly shrinking. Studies of Mercury show that it has shrunk by about 11 kilometers across since the solar system's fiery birth, 4.5 billion years ago. It is shrinking by 244.44 centimeters per million years. By the time the solar system is about to die, Mercury would be 11 kilometers smaller than now. Fact number 9. Keplertobe is a very complicated object. On the night side of the planet's atmosphere, the clouds themselves are likely made up of corundum, the mineral which forms rubies and sapphires. Its star, which is HAP-7, is basically consuming Keplertobe, so now Kepler is an oval and eventually it would be disintegrated. This planet is personally my favorite because it is confusing. Number 10. Mercury's physics are very weird. Let's say you were 70 kilograms on Earth, then you would be 26 kilograms on Mercury. Isn't that a massive difference? 63% of your weight will perish. So times your weight by 37 and divide it by 100, and that would be your weight on Mercury. Fact number 11. The weather on HD189733 is deadly. The winds, composed of particles, blow up to 8,700 kilometers per hour. What makes it even more dangerous is the fact that it rains glass. HD189733b is a planet approximately 64.5 light-years away from our planet and is like most gas giants, a hot Jupiter. Fact number 12. A water world which is called Gliese 1214b has loads of water, and is a super-Earth. A super-Earth is a planet which is bigger than Earth, but has less mass. But nothing lives there. Because of the high pressures on Gliese 1:1 this planet is slightly smaller than Neptune and is 40 light-years away from Earth. Like Earth, it is in the habitable zone. Fact number 13. Planet 9 is the name given to a supposed body orbiting well outside the Kuiper belt around 200 AU to 250 AU from the Sun, which explains the Kuiper belt's shifting. This planet could be orbiting the solar system but really far, far away. Scientists say that during the formation of the solar system, Planet 9 was right behind Jupiter and eventually got ejected. Fact number 14. Iapetus is the third largest natural satellite of Saturn and the 11th largest in the solar system. But what's so strange about this moon is that one side of it is dark and the other side of the planet is light. This is a very strange phenomenon. One side is dark because of rich carbon covering one half of the moon. This carbon is from Phoebe, another one of Saturn's moon.